Welcome back to another episode of Sweet Life of
Jay.
Indeed. So today, got a little wax going. So I'm gonna let Jay here, my beautiful queen, black queen,
about to get him right.
go let her wax my back and see how this goes.
Yes.
So yeah, got this little wax kit. Where you get it from?
Amazon. I bought it like 3 months ago. And because of the pandemic, it didn't come until like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're supposed to plug it up and let it get hot for at least like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Once it get hot, you pour your beans in, your wax beads, and you let them melt, which is what we did. So yeah, now we're about to get ready, and I chose to do the yellow honey beads. And it says it is ideal for the removal of body and facial hairs on all skin types. So we shall see.
We're gonna see how this go. Y'all ever seen a grown man cry? Cause the day might be the day.
I got my alcohol pad, some wipe his back off, got my sticks. We gonna see.
Oh yeah, also shouts out to good sis Mimi for letting us borrow this beautiful, luxurious massage table.
Yeah. Shout out to my sister.
So yeah.
Get on the table.
Let me sit y'all.
Welcome back, guys. As you can see, we have D here on the massage table, and I am about to get him right. Hopefully. Y'all, I am not trained for this. I did not go to school for this, but yeah, I watched some videos and I read the instructions, so we're gonna see.
Y'all pretty flippy, man. Shit better be hot.
I turned it down, but it's still there.
Just touch, hold on, wait. Touch my hand a little bit first. Let me see how I feel. Oh, it ain't bad.
Okay.
I hope.
Okay, so according to the videos, you are supposed to apply the wax in the direction that the hair grows. So put it on.
Oh, shit.
It's hot.
No, this shit pulling up. What the fuck?
What?
This shit pulling already.
It's supposed to.
What the fuck? Hell no.
Now you see how I feel when I be getting wax.
I'm a G, man. I ain't worried about no fucking wax, man.
Okay.
You feel?
I hear you.
You feel?
I hear you. I don't really like these wax beads already because they are extremely stringy. Is that?
No.
No. No. That's what your mouth saying.
It ain't hot.
Okay. Now I'm just applying it, and then I am going to let it cool off so I can pull it off. It's hot? No? Okay. Good. As y'all can see, this stuff is super, super stringy. Don't really like
Shit wasn't talking about nothing. They ain't worried about it.
Oh, for real?
I ain't worried about it. It easy. It easy. I don't know what you be complaining about. It easy right here.
First of all, you're not getting it done in a sensitive place. So you can say that.
It's easy. It's easy,
It's
man.
easy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We're gonna see how easy it is when I yank it off.
Yeah.
All that trap. So I know y'all waiting on the reaction video, the second part. It's coming soon.
That shit hurt already. I ain't gonna lie to you. Ooh.
It ain't really you. If y'all know more about waxing than I do, and it's something I might have did, drop it in the comments. Let me know. You know, because next time I don't want it to be so
Oh,
shiny.
do hard that time.
No.
Brazilian wax on me.
Negative wax. Negative. I go to professionals for that, honey. You ain't about to have me in here looking crazy.
It's about to go down.
You ready?
No.
I'm counting 3.
No.
1. Man, come on. 1, 2.
It hurt already. Stop. Yo, not yet.
Ain't ready. Go.
This shit hurt.
Well, you said you was a G and you can't handle it, so. Your mom got here. You a fool. I'm trying to get time. So while I'm waiting on this to get ready, it says that you're supposed to clean it out by putting baby oil in it. Don't use tissue, cotton, or anything of that nature because it will get stuck in here and your wax warmer will be over with. So I'm gonna do that after I snatch this off of him. This stuff is extremely sticky. Ready?
I guess. Fuck! Ooh!
You said you guess?
Ooh!
Go ahead, there.
Ooh!
Get a little piece.
Ooh! 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 I don't know why I agreed to do this.
Yes, you do.
Fuck!
You might need a shower after these.
Ooh! Ooh!
Okay, you ain't ready yet. I'm gonna go get baby oil so I can try to clean it. It's
That
not.
shit big as fuck. What the fuck?
You got a lot of hair. You got a lot of hair.
What the fuck? Snatch that bitch off myself.
Nah, that wasn't the agreement, sir. What you doing? Alright. So.
You can put the baby oil on my back. Ain't too much.
Afterwards, so.
I'm talking about the help.
Got the baby
Get the
oil.
wax off my back.
To clean this. Oh, okay, there you go. It was off. So, put this in here so that it'll clean. Let's make sure it did say warm it back up first. Turn it on, let it sit for 5 minutes. Arms down, sir.
No.
Sir,
No.
you asked for this service. Put your arms down. Yes.
No.
This stuff is not strong enough for your back.
Bro, you pulling the hell with your hand. That shit
I'm
hurt.
pulling this stuff off.
Alright, I get the little shit off in the shower, alright? Alright?
Alright, B. Alright. That one ain't ready. I'm pulling it. It's ready. It's
But we didn't say we ready to go yet. Ain't talking about what you saying.
Who is
Damn,
we?
bro. Me and my back. What you talking about?
Hey, I'm just giving you the service you asked for, dog. You ain't gotta be all
Go ahead,
harsh.
bro. Don't snatch it hard, though.
I'm not even snatching it hard.
Ooh.
If I snatch it hard, I can get over it real quick.
Alright, one. Ooh, I said one, nigga. Go. What the fuck? Alright, come on. Woo. Woo. This the big one, huh?
Nah, that wasn't even the big one.
Oh my god.
That was the small one. Ooh, this one ain't ready yet.
Ooh, this last one ain't.
No. What you mean?
Let me see. How many more we got? We got one. That's it.
No,
Yes, we do.
yeah. This is fun. Boyfriend ever make you mad? What some?
I got all that damn wax on my back.
Cause you got a lot of hair.
Oh, what the fuck?
It got a lot of your hair off, but you still hairy as hell.
It's not making it any better. No thank you. I'm good.
Y'all, see how mean he been to me? And he the one agreed to this. I was gonna let him give me a wax. But he said, nah. What happened? You said something?
Stop, bro. Why you-
I'm getting the bigger pieces
No,
off.
you're not.
Yes,
you ain't even gotta pull them on. You can just rub it like that and they scrape come off.
Where?
Hey, you come out.
Oh, man, you funny. Let's see.
Ooh,
It's
that
the
shit
big
fucking
one.
hurt.
It's the big one. You got it. 1, 2, 3. That was just a piece of the big.
I know. Ooh, shit. Ooh.
Oh, look at it, Heather.
Ooh.
Alright, I'm gonna let you get it.
Ooh.
Alright, we got 2 more.
Ooh, shit.
You ready?
No.
See, this is why you can't go to a professional because they don't give you that option. They just do it.
I mean, I smacked. Ooh, that shit hurt right there. Ooh, wait.
Yeah.
Man, when
Yes.
man, when I. Let me just get that one out of the shower.
Okay.
Stop. You ready? You want no rubber gloves on.
You don't see how difficult he is. Trying to be nice.
Why you gotta pull it from this end? Why you can't pull it from the inside?
I did pull it from
No,
the
you
inside.
pulling it from right there.
It's gonna hurt either
That shit
way.
hurt.
I told you. Ow.
Ooh. Go ahead.
Yeah, this concludes our wax. As you can see, I did not use enough wax beads for him. Probably should have used 3 packs. Because, yeah. But yeah, we got 1 part left and he's being difficult.
Go ahead.
Alright.
Ooh. Ooh,
That's
shit.
it. All done. And it's still wax on his back, but he won't let me get it off, so. There you have it. Thanks for tuning in to the Sweet Life of J&D. You got anything to say? How was it? Got anything to say?